right, Scott, it's been a little while. I love when we freshen these things up and we get a chance to talk to our good buddy Michael Akiva at Jacoby Meyers, because that is, well, this segment is called Justice Matters, and look at that. There he is right now.
Does matter. Hi, Michael.
Popping in. Good to see you.
How are you?
Good.
We're doing good, man. We always appreciate you coming on, shedding light on so many topics that really everyday people, common people are going through. And so we appreciate, and I know in the past we've allowed viewers and folks to ask questions. We've compiled a couple. I'm hoping that you're still willing to let us do that. Michael Akiva, can we put you on the spot?
Of course, always.
I love it. Yeah. All right. First question. We need the name. I think it was a guy named Kevin. So we're going to see. Okay. Kevin is saying, I'm going through a tough time right now due to some injuries from a car accident that I was in. I'm unable to work, and it's really affecting me financially. I'm worried about opening a case, and that will add more stress. So I'm wondering, how exactly can a lawyer assist me in getting compensation? Fair question.
Yeah, very good question. I mean, an accident will always cause stress. And so from our perspective, hiring an attorney will reduce that stress. So opening the case itself on your own creates new work for yourself. It creates burdens of giving statements, complying with insurance regulations and whatnot. But by bringing an attorney on your case, they'll take all that off your back. You won't have to worry about any of that stuff. And so really opening the case actually should reduce your stress, because you'll have someone who can guide you through the process and ensure that you're doing the right things at every stage. Which
is exactly what people need. Because you don't want, Michael, you deal with these folks all the time.
Yes.
It is so stressful to be going through something like this. You just got out of an accident, things happen, it affects multiple parts of your life. The last thing you want is to add something else.
Exactly. And it begs the question, how do you go about doing the next steps? What do you do? What's the right thing to do? What's the wrong thing to do? And having someone by your side helps to relieve all of that stress that the uncertainty creates as well.
Of course.
Yep. All right, so let's follow it up with this. Why is it super important? We kind of touched on it a little bit right now there, for someone to give you a call, even if they don't think they really have a case. They should call you right now to find out, I guess, right?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of times people don't realize they actually have a case. And so what ends up happening is they leave money on the table, or they don't open a case that they absolutely could have opened. And sometimes even people think, I don't know that I should open a case because it might hurt me. It's always good just to get advice from an attorney to hear what are the pros and cons of opening a case, and then you can make an informed decision. Does it make sense to open a case? And so my advice to all the viewers is, if you think you might have a case, give us a call. It doesn't hurt you. There's no cost to calling us. All consultations are free, and we can give you advice and let you know, does it make sense or does it not? And then you can make an informed decision.
For sure. And my stress level just went down with him talking about
Just to talk, because it's a stressful thing. You don't know what to do, and people do think when they call you, you're going to get charged. But no, call is free.
Correct. That's exactly right.
Michael, I do want to know if people are on the fence, they're considering, they probably know they need to, but like Gary's talking about, maybe they're going to charge me with those things. What are you having people do to, prepare early on, whether they're right as they're making that call or getting ready to make that call? What kind of mindset, what things do they need to bring to you? I guess get us ready. Get these folks ready to give you a ring.
Good question. So when you call us, really, we're just going to want to go through what happened. And so it should be really fresh, or maybe not so fresh in your mind what happened, but we'll just ask you questions. How did it happen? Who did it? Where was it? When was it? And we'll just go through a series of questions. So maybe what you could do to prepare is have details on when it happened. If you can give us time of day, even better. Day that it happened is great. Who did it? So if you have details on who did it, the information on what we call the defendant, the person who caused the accident, get us that information so we can go through everything from start to finish, so we understand exactly what happened and who did it.
Look at that.
No, that's how you do it. That's why they're California's most trusted personal injury firm.
That's right. And Justice Matters.
And Justice Matters.
To us and to Michael Akiva. Great to see you again, man. There's all that information. Jacoby Meyers, we love that QR code. We know people using it. Send in those questions. Keep them coming. Michael Akiva loves to be put on the spot, and he's never let us down one time.
He has not.
Ever. Now, he knows every answer all the time.
And he's always on time.
JacobyMyers.com on the web.